Okay guys, I have some rock, which one I want to crush it, and we'll see, can we get at least some little piece of gold or not. This is about 5 pounds of rock. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. It's like heavy. So, but it's all brown stuff, but I don't see too many fluids, but who knows what is in this rock. So I decided to do the test, not test, or dissolve everything and use electrolysis, precipitate everything, and we will see how much gold we get it, if we get at all something. Okay, so right now this rock be going to be crushed, and then we be straight to aqua regia. Okay, and we will see what we get it in this rock. I crushing that rock, and I don't see nothing too much inside them. You see that? It's tiny layers of brown, but and this everything breaks in the same lines where is fluid, some kind of. Here looks like gold fluid. So I crushing and making 3 different sizes, and then I decided to make a test. Don't waste my chemicals. So right now I continue crushing. Finish this few left, and then we do the test. If I get at least little positive, then I dissolve everything. All this material dissolve in aqua regia. We will see what we get. Crushing that rock is a lot of big stuff, little smaller ones, and other smaller ones. And I decided to make a test before continue. So I got 100 mesh. I'll take 2 spoons. 1, 200 mesh. And go pan it. I want to see what is inside. Pan it. That 100 mesh is very dirty looking. It means a lot of brown stuff is in the water. But I want to see what we got. I don't want to throw that stuff too. So let me get another place. Collect this dust too and check what we have in dust. Okay. So let's see. One more time. Okay. And the rest we can pan it. No single gold pieces. If there is gold, that gold be microscopic. That's some 100 mesh sand. I didn't see with microscope nothing in the bottom. So I be adding hydrochloric acid. I throw this water away. Hydrochloric acid and boil for a few minutes. We'll see what we get. Okay. This is hydrochloric acid boil to eliminate metals which one dissolves in hydrochloric acid. So let them get hot and then we continue. Hydrochloric acid is boiling. All sand became, looks like white. So let them boil for another few minutes. And then I decant it, wash it with the water, and look in microscope. Do I see something in the bottom? Okay. I wash it. All became clear, and now when I stop spinning, let's see what is in the bottom. It's still yellow. Need to go a little bit more. I look in the bottom. There is some little black dots. And I want to put aqua regia right now. Adding potassium nitrite, half a spoon, and hydrochloric acid, little bit, and be putting heat. Okay, let him aqua regia working, boiling on high heat. Actually, we don't need anymore. As I see the nitric smoke, that brown gases coming. Remember that dust I transfer to the beaker. Right now removing some water a little bit more and adding hydrochloric acid, and we be boiling for a few minutes and then do the same aqua regia. Okay, let's see. Aqua regia. This is hydrochloric acid, okay? I just need to boil it to remove all useless metals, iron, then another kind of metals is there, but mostly dust because sand became white, so I don't know. That rock all is iron. I don't see visible gold. Urea, and I right now do test this aqua regia solution. Okay, I want to know, do we have some gold? Color is nice, but do we have gold? Okay, urea neutralizes nitric, and then we add stannous chloride, and we know it's worth working or not. Okay, let urea finish. Work, dissolve, and this is dust and hydrochloric acid. Okay, moment of truth. Do we have gold or not? Color little changes, so we have gold, but it's very little, guys. But there is gold, you see, purple and white color. So they say that we have gold. Okay. So then I continue with this stuff. I transfer all this material to 2 test tubes, and now I already put urea. You see that purple color? Let's see, do we get the same thing here on bigger scale? See? We get little amount of gold, not a lot, but there is gold, you see? Okay, so then I need to continue. See purple? That means we have gold. Let's take this one out, transfer everything in one. Okay, it's a good sign. We have a gold, but not a lot. It's very mild. This is not like, remember, black one I get. Well, when I get black one, then I'm happy. So right now, let's see what is in this dust. Okay, too. Because we have a lot of dust. Okay, now I make aqua regia, and this is dust. You see, urea didn't kill the nitric, it just everything dissolved it. You see? That way we need to kill the nitric. Okay. Put more urea. Okay. It's okay right now. Let's continue with the dust. When you didn't put enough urea, everything dissolved. So you see why we need put urea, because gold is so small. If we still have nitric, always dissolve. So right now I make aqua regia over here, putting heat, and see do we get little bit more bigger concentration in here on dust. Somehow I thinking that in dust supposed to be little bit more gold than in those pieces, but what to do, we'll see. And here I'll be putting more urea, or maybe I just evaporate a little bit more, cause less water be there. We'll see. Right now dust working with the aqua regia, and here I took those two big test tubes, I put it on the beaker and try to evaporate at least a little bit more, and make less solution, be more concentrated. Okay, so let him work, and looks like we have some gold. Now I be crushing all those, all three, and that one 200 mesh, or maybe this size will be okay. This is 80. Okay, so and then need to be dissolved with everything, so this takes a long time, so I make another part 2. Okay, this is part 1, and that be part 2 when I finish with all crushing those materials. Right now this is boiling, evaporates, you see everything goes up. I'm not breathing nothing, guys, don't get so worried. Here aqua regia, let him work. See what we have in this dust. Okay, I put urea in the beaker test tube, and now adding this one, few milliliters, and then we do the test, stannous chloride test, and we'll see do we have something. Okay, looks like we have strong acid. Little bit, okay, doesn't matter, this dissolves. Let's add stannous chloride. Okay, I'm getting purple. So we have gold and dust too. So you see, when you're working with the rocks, you can't throw nothing, everything contains the gold. So okay, what to do today? This looks like not even bigger concentration than in those first two. So right now I decanting. Yeah, it's bigger per concentration. It is almost black. Oh, okay, let's do this. I finishing today. I putting urea here. No filtration, nothing. It's just like that. Precipitate, and I go home. Today is enough. Mosquito started biting. I don't like it. Okay, so you see, everything will become black and dissolving because of strong nitric still. Yeah, so urea a little bit more. I don't want to dissolve again, and we leave it overnight. In the morning we'll see what we get. Okay, maybe too much. Okay, let's transfer the test tube. Okay, I transfer everything to the tubes. There's still left something, but today I don't play anymore. Time to go home. And I precipitate with stannous chloride, and we'll see what's happening. This is from dust. Still a lot nitric. It's not a lot, guys. This is very little gold. It's maybe not even no worth playing. Okay, and those ones, what we already did it. Okay, let him work. You see purple color. Here we got some kind of dirty color. It's like a little bit more bluish. No, it's okay. Let him stay till tomorrow, and tomorrow we will see what we do next. Follow colors is weak. It's not a lot of gold, so we need to make decision: continue experiment or not. This is not a lot of gold, but a lot of work. So let's see. Let's say this part 1 is over. Thank you for watching. Let's see, can I make another part 2? Okay, it depends of tomorrow, because right now it's getting dark and I supposed to go home. Okay, see you. Bye bye.